the final result. So firstly we will download all the required files, so you have to head to the description below and navigate to the first link. Now download the wallpaper from here. Navigate to the second link and download the Rainmeter from here. Now, go to the third link and download the lively wallpaper. Navigate to the fourth link and download this theme folder. Now, go to the fifth link and download the ocean Rainmeter skin. After downloading all these files, you have to navigate to the downloads folder. Install the live wallpaper as shown. Turn on the rain theme. Now, right-click on Rain theme and go to its file location. Open the Wallpapers folder. Now copy the wallpaper from Downloads folder and paste it in the file location Wallpaper folder. Right-click and go to Customize. Now change the wallpaper as shown and change these settings as well. Now close it. Right-click and hide your desktop icons. Now install the Rainmeter as shown. Now this Rainmeter has some default skins, so unload all of them. Navigate to Downloads and install this Ocean Rainmeter skin. Now open the theme folder and copy the files presented here in the Rainmeter folder. Go to Documents, Rainmeter, Skins, and paste it here. Go to Taskbar tray and open the Rainmeter. Make sure to refresh it. Now load he skins as shown here. Set these skins in the middle. You can change the color of Ocean Visualizer according to your choice. I have uploaded a variety of desktop themes on PC tutorials. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.